The new ToolPRO Power Tool range has landed at Supercheap Auto with 20 epic new tools, as tested by Skid Factory and Molly Taylor. ToolPRO is the official and trusted tool partner of Red Bull Ampol Racing, and they're on shelves just in time for Toolapalooza, the tool sale you've been waiting for. Dive straight under the bonnet with compact 12-volt wrenches and torquey 18-volt models when the going gets tough. When you really mean business, grab a Toolapalooza bargain on the brand new 18-volt brushless impact wrench featuring a thumping 700 Newton meters of torque. Blaze through those cutting tasks quicker than ever with 5 grinders and saws, including the brand new 12-volt multi-tool. Toolapalooza won't leave a hole in your wallet, but with your choice of 12 or 18-volt drill drivers and hammer drills, you'll breeze through just about anything else. Shine light on the task with one of 3 versatile work lights. Then, with your impact drivers handy, you can set those screws quickly and jump into the next task. Tackle a quick polishing job with 12-volt, step it up a notch with 18-volt, or lay down some serious shine with mains-powered ToolPRO polishers. You can blow hot air, cool air, or air for your tyres with the brand new and super handy 18-volt inflator. And of course, all of this is powered by the same battery system you know and love, with a few super additions including fast chargers, twin chargers and more. ToolPRO, available now in Toolapalooza, the tool sale you've been waiting for, only at Supercheap Auto.